Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm going to be doing a product review on ZARBEE'S Natural Baby Soothing Chest Rub. If you guys would like some more information on it, just please see the video description. Now ZARBEE'S, I had heard from a few other friends that are moms that it is a really great brand. They make all kinds of stuff, including like vitamins, cough syrup, nasal spray, stuff like that. So I decided to purchase it because my son got very sick twice. So he got sick over the winter, and then he just had like a really bad summer cold for like 2 weeks. And because he's so young, you know, the doctor's office won't really prescribe anything for him. So you got to get kind of over-the-counter stuff, and I prefer to get things that are all natural, especially when they're this young in age. So it almost works like a Vicks vapor rub. So this is ZARBEE'S, and it is made with eucalyptus, lavender, and beeswax for infants 2 months and up. It is petroleum and menthol free. And this is a 1.5 ounce container, which may seem small, but it actually lasts for a long time. The baby's chests are small, so you could definitely get a lot of use out of it. So it lists all the ingredients here. What I like is the ingredients are pretty natural. Castor seed oil, hydrogenated castor oil, beeswax, the eucalyptus radiata leaf oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. And it has, you could smell like the eucalyptus in it. You could smell the lavender in it too. So it's really nice. At nighttime before they go to sleep, I was just concerned, I'm like, because I know how horrible it is to get a cold and not be able to breathe through your nose. So I'm like, I can only imagine how my son must feel. I know he must be uncomfortable, clogged. They can't blow their own nose. So this definitely was helpful. And I tried it myself, and it works just like Vicks Vapor Rub. So it tells you the recommended uses. Babies 2 months and older use up to 3 times daily. Or use as directed by a physician. Gently massage on the chest, neck, back, or bottom of the feet. People swear by this, by the bottom of the feet. Do not use on babies under 2 months of age. And of course, external use only. So when I concentrated on using this, it was mostly like before nap time, before bedtime. Because you want them to sleep, you want them to be comfortable. It doesn't leave a greasy residue on the skin, and it doesn't come off on clothes. If it does, which I've noticed, I put like, I went a little heavy one night on the chest rub, but you know, I washed the clothes and it came right out. So it's not like it stains, and it doesn't leave much residue. This is just like a screw on top. I'm going to open this so you guys could see inside. It smells wonderful. The consistency of like a Vaseline, I would say. It literally smells so good. Like what I do too is I would put I rub a little bit underneath the nose, and that kind of just helps open things up, because you know, when you're sick, you're miserable, and then you put this on and you're like that feels good. So I use this, you know, for several weeks through 2 sicknesses, and you know, look how much is left. So like I said, a little bit goes a long way. This little container. And like I said, I've bought other ZARBEE'S products, much success with them, very happy with them, and I will continue to buy them. Very easy to screw on. And this is the container. Nice and compact. If you travel, you could just put it in the diaper bag, which I'm going to do, even though my son is not sick. Currently, you just never know when they're going to come up with that cold or whatever, so it's better to be prepared. So I think this is great to have new parents. You want to have something in the house. I know you can't use it till 2 months of age, but this is great. And it says 2 months plus. I'm assuming you could use this, you know, up until really any age. I mean, honestly, if I wanted to use it, I could. So I really stand by this product. I love it. This is ZARBEE'S Naturals Baby Soothing Chest Rub. Like I said, works just like Vicks Vapor Rub. So I hope you guys found it useful. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know, or a like. I would really appreciate that. And I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.